If you're like me and you've ever wondered whether your body is secretly plotting to borrow calcium from your aging bones, well, welcome to older adulthood. That's where these calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D tablets come in. Calcium is the main building block for your skeleton. It's needed for strength, and vitamin D helps your body actually absorb that calcium. And then magnesium helps everything balanced and gets it working smoothly once it gets there. So what does that feel like? Honestly, you won't wake up thinking, wow, my femur feels fabulous. But over time, taking this kind of supplement consistently can make a difference for your bone health, muscle function, and overall mineral balance, especially if your diet is more ramen and coffee rather than leafy greens and salmon, as mine can be. This stuff isn't about instant gratification, it's about daily care. The pills are fairly small, and they're pretty easy to swallow. A quick tip, vitamin D is best absorbed with food, especially healthy fats, and calcium and magnesium can compete for absorption if taken all at once, so listen to your body and adjust the timing if you need to. Think of this as your everyday support squad in a bottle, a tiny habit that might help you feel a bit sturdier day by day.